In this video, I'm going to totally blow your mind. If you're looking to get a smartphone app kit for your remote start or car alarm system, or if you just want vehicle tracking, for any of those reasons, rethink and stop what you're doing. Don't go out and buy anything until you've at least watched this video. It's revolutionary and it's just mind-blowing. It's not only better and cheaper and more expandable than anything else on the market. Unlike so many manufacturers, they want you to believe that you have, say a Compustart system, you have to use the drone mobile. If you have an Omega, you have to use the Omega. However, this is Omega, supported by MyLink software, but that's another thing. I'm going to get to that in a second. All the other manufacturers out there like iDataLink, AudioVox, CrimeStopper, AutoStart, AstroStart, Fortin, all these manufacturers all have their own type of system which is proprietary, and they use that and they change all the little plugs and the configurations, like you can see here, in just a gajillion different ways. Make it confusing for an average consumer to understand what interfaces are available for their system. And a lot of times they kind of corner their own market, so to speak, just to keep the business coming their way. So what I have here for you guys today is a new product made by Omega, which is the Linkr-LT1. Now you see I also have another one here, which is the Linkr-M1, which is the one that's proprietary for all the Excalibur and Omega brand systems. And it only works with those systems. This one takes it another step further. So this one works on the Verizon network. It's a little different than their product and what they offer on their vehicle tracking and etc. It's their own proprietary deal for this system. So don't confuse this Linkr-LT1 with the Linkr-M1. There's another one which is 3G, but that's for South America, Brazil, Argentina, that kind of stuff. So there are different choices. And Omega, again, as usual, they have the best selection out of anybody I can find. I know some people say, why are you so crazy about Omega? Well, this is why I'm crazy about Omega, because they make good stuff. That's why I'm crazy about Omega. So unlike, say, this product here, if you bought this one, say, for $125, you'd have to do that. For the base plan, you're spending $50 a year. If you want the plan with the vehicle tracking, you have to double that. So you got this, plus you have to spend $100 to get the premier plan. This one here, you can spend about $125, and the first year, free. Every year after that, $29. $29, $100. This one here is like $79. So again, this is 33% cheaper than this, 400% cheaper than this. I mean, it's a no-brainer to me. The technology is the same. The network is Verizon. It gives you the same mapping, the same features. They all do the same stuff. Lock, unlock, auxiliary channel outputs, vehicle tracking, push notifications, all the stuff that you would expect to find in any of these Smart Start integration kits. Now, let me just start by showing you what this stuff here is all about. I'm sorry if I'm a little excited. This thing is just so cool. So this first plug, since it is an OmegaLink product, once you plug in your main connector, if you wanted to use the green port for telematics on the Omega brand system, you would just use this interface. And it also leaves the existing data port on an Excalibur system totally blank, so you can use a different module for that. I mean, how smart is that? I mean, that's just, to me, it's just a no-brainer, right? So, aside from that, let's just say if you had an iDataLink system or an AudioVox, CrimeStopper, Directed Electronics, Viper, Python, Sidewinder, whatever, one of those kind of dealies, right? This plug here is all you need, because you got the 4-pin plug. Red and black is your power and ground, RX and TX, which is receiving and transmitting data. So you're sending the information to the cellular carrier, is providing the signal, and receiving to the unit, and confirms here to your phone. So in this scenario, I want to use this, plug it into here, and I'm going to use the most popular remote starter that I use currently today, which is a Fortin Evo All. And watch this. Plug that in there. All this other stuff, you don't even need this stuff anyway. It's just basically all additional protocol stuff, which you don't even use in most scenarios. Plug this into here, done. That's your installation. Now also, if you want to use your smartphone plus an RF one-way or two-way kit, you could still do that too. You could take this. This is where it gets crazy. This here is a Fortin Y-splitter cable. You can plug this thing into here. Look at that. What do you want to add? One-way remote kit, companion remote, two-way, LED, LCD, you name it. There you go. This was a roadblock. No one had this. That's why this technology is so amazing to me. Because it basically just totally broke this technology out of jail, and it made it so that way you don't have to be stuck so to speak, with the technology of what your manufacturer supported, or if their app looked antiquated, if it was just ugly looking. This one here, you can modify the vehicle. So if you want to have it laid out like here, you want to have your car, if you want to do the map orientation, you want to have it this way, that way. If you want to get push notifications, emails, texts, if there was a alarm break-in, this thing gives you all the confirmation just like you would expect with anything else. But you can modify it to make it look like how you want it to look like. And you pay so much less and you get so much more. So that's what I'm here to talk about today. This here is the actual installation guide, and this just gives you a good understanding of what I've been saying. You have your Linkr, which you have your Y cable. You can plug it directly into an Excalibur brand alarm system with the green port like I showed you with the adapter, or you could use one of these VW Audi kits. You want to use one of the OLRS style remote starters. If you're going to use this one, you got it. These here are Compustars. Same thing, plug it into a 4-pin data port. This one here, boom, and you can still get to use your Blade port on your Compustar system on top of this as well. Here's your DEI. Here's your 4x10, your 5x10, D-ball systems. Here's the Fortin, which I'm showing you here. There's your Evo All, Evo 1. This one here, you do have to change the setting to Fortin 2. The Evo 1 is already defaulted to accept this, so you just plug it in, download the app on your phone, done. Also, if you were using like an ADS ALCA or an OLMDB All, plug that sucker right in there, done. I mean, how much easier can it possibly get than this? So, to wrap this video up, to me, it's just a no-brainer. I mean, if you wanted to get an app and you were looking for the best value for the best price, this system, I can't believe I know how good this thing is going to sell, because I sold my own stuff. I sold this thing and says, how could you not even want this? I mean, look at this. This thing's crazy. So if you are looking to add yourself a smartphone app on top of an RF kit for whatever brand you're using, even though I don't sell DEI because I can't stand them, I do sell all the other stuff, the Compustar, the Fortin, the AudioVox, the OmegaLink, the Crime Stopper. All that stuff is okay in my book. I love all that stuff. This thing is compatible with all of them. So this is going to actually shrink my inventory, and actually my offerings to customers now can be much less expensive and greater value for everybody who purchases this kit. So that's what it's all about, folks. So there is my review of my Linkr-LT1. Check it out on our site. I'm going to put a link up there. And if you liked the video, give it a like. Hopefully you liked it. And if you didn't like it, give it a like anyway.